Can you see me? I'm gonna try shooting the Cyborg RX by MacDev. These were made in 2008, 2009. I didn't do my homework before I started making this video. Shooting space, we're gonna chronograph. I changed the O-rings and focus. I changed the O-rings and kind of set the regs on sound. Not the LPR, just the HPR. So I want to see if I'm close. We're gonna move you over this way. Come. Focus. It's actually pretty dark here. Camera's making it looking brighter than it is. Have the RX. Have the target. Don't have the paint. Got my coffee. Let's fill this thing up with paint and we'll get some shots off. See what it's doing? Okay. Let's go. Let's see what we get. 247, 251, 252, 248, 272, 252, 261, 271, 276, 274. That's alright. I don't know what firing mode I'm in. Let's see what firing mode we have right now. That's ramp. Semi-auto uncapped. A little bit of a hiss out of the rear. 275, 280, 269, 272, 272, 269, 275, 270.